Hi guys, in this video I am going to change this type C port. So as you can see here, all we have to do is to heat this off, right? And it's quite easy when it comes to these type of board. You just have to heat this off. What we have is we have a lot of small pins at the back. If you never change one of these before, normally it will have like a piece of plastic at the back. For example, this one, you can see the plastic here, it's covering the pins, so you'll have to heat that off. So let's go ahead. And we're going to heat this off. As you heat, you want to test to see if it's ready for removal. And just like that, this is about 128 degrees melting point. We are going to do over the pins for the port. So what we're going to do, we are going to use flux. So I have is a bit thick. Remove the old solder from the board. So what we're gonna do, guys, we are going to use solder piece, and we're gonna use this all over. We're going to do now, we are going to solder the areas to take the new port. What we are going to do with this one, we are going to cover the hole, the 4 holes. We're going to cover the holes because we can use a technique with the airflow and we can apply the port very easy. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. Once we ensure that all the 4 holes are covered, and also we redo the back pins, you want to clean this off. Once it is aligned, you want to ensure that it is aligned perfectly, right? Once it's aligned, ensure that it's the way it should be, right? Once it's aligned, you want to use like 300 to 400 degrees heat, and guys, we are done. I usually do that all the time. I usually use the RM223 and do the back pins. Yeah, so that the back of the pins are soldered correctly, and that's how you do it. You're just going to do the back pins. So guys, we're just going to reflow the port one more time and we're done. If it happens that you want to use more solder to keep the foot of the port down by the end, you can. So we just reflow the port, and guys, we are done.